I started by cooking some whole wheat linguine pasta. And for the base of the sauce, I'm using this dry chopped onion and this pre-minced garlic. This will make your life so much easier and so much faster in the kitchen. And I'm just starting to cook those in some water. I've got about 8 ounces of mushroom here that I chopped up and added to the onions and garlic. I'm saving some of the chopped mushrooms for later, which you'll see why. And here are our mushroom mixture cooking away. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of this Better Than Bouillon for a little extra flavor. Just go ahead and mix it all in. Now I'm gonna add some oat milk to make the sauce. You can use any kind of plain plant-based milk that you like. And I'm also adding some nutritional yeast for a little bit of extra cheesy flavor. I also added some black pepper on top, and I'm just gonna mix those seasonings in. Then just carefully transfer your mixture to a blender and blend it up until it is nice and smooth. It's not the most appetizing color, granted, but it is delicious. Meanwhile, here are those extra mushrooms that I saved to brown up. And now I'm just gonna toss that linguine into the sauce. You wanna make sure you have a good pasta to sauce ratio. So I actually had a little bit of extra pasta that I'm saving for later. Add your sauteed mushrooms and black pepper and you're done. I have been loving this side dish. It is frozen green beans seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and coconut aminos or soy sauce. Just put everything into a saute pan with a little bit of water and it is delicious. Here is the final result. Eat your veggies first, but oh my goodness, this was such a good meal. Oil-free, barely any salt in it, and it's creamy and mushroomy and tasty. What can I say? As you can see, I didn't measure anything, just do everything according to your taste and enjoy. It's an easy weeknight meal. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe idea and subscribe for more. I share new videos every Sunday. See you next week. Bye.